Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our chemistry online class. In the last class we discussed about the factors affecting solubility, right? That is very important question. I hope you all studied this question, and one more thing, you wrote this question in your note also, okay? So today we are going to study this 9th lesson. Under that lesson we are going to learn concentration of a solution. So solution means we all know, right? So solution means that contains what? Solute plus solvent. One solute, that means maybe salt or sugar or any other substance, okay? So solute plus solvent. Solvent means liquid items, mostly water we are using. So when solute combined with solvent to form a solution, right? So far we discussed about this solutions. So most of the chemical reactions, chemical reactions, right? So most of the chemical reaction will take place in this solution form only. In the solution form, most of the chemical reactions will take place. So it is essential to quantify the solute in solvent. That is very important, to quantify the solute in solvent. It's very important to study the chemical reactions, okay? So here we are going to learn what is concentration of a solution. So listen, to quantify the solute in solvent, we can use the term concentration, okay? To quantify the solute in solvent, we can use the term what? Concentration. So concentration of a solution is defined as the amount of solute present in given amount of solvent. Amount of solute is present in given amount of solvent or solution. That is called as concentration of solution, okay? Concentration of solution is defined as amount of solute is present in given amount of solvent, okay? Consider 100 ml water, okay? You can consider 100 ml water. So in 100 ml water, saturated solution, we studied how much gram of solute can dissolve in 100 ml water. 36 sodium chloride gram of salt. 36 gram of sodium chloride can dissolve in 100 ml water. Okay, that is a saturated solution. So amount of solute, here sodium chloride salt. Salt is a solute, right? So solute, amount of solute is present in given amount of solvent, called as concentration of a solution, okay? This concentration of a solution is expressed in different methods. Here we are going to discuss two methods, that is mass percentage and volume percentage. Mass percentage and volume percentage. So mass percentage, it has one formula, mass percentage. Mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by salt or sugar, anyone. So mass of solute divided by mass of solution. Mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. This is the formula of mass percentage. So what is mass percentage formula? Mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. From this formula we are going to write the definition, okay? So listen carefully. Mass percentage of a solution is defined as percentage of, given in into 100, right? So mass percentage of a solution is defined as percentage of mass of solute present in given mass of solution. That is called as mass percentage definition. So what is mass percentage? Mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Then definition, mass percentage of a solution is defined as percentage by, okay? You should write the word percentage by. Percentage by mass of solute present in given mass of solution. Have you understood? Then Example for this mass percentage, example 5% of sugar solution. 5% of sugar solution, which means 5% of sugar solution, which contains how many percentage sugar? Can you guess it? How many percentage sugar and how many percentage water present here? Here 5 gram of sugar and 95 gram of water. Okay, 5 gram of sugar and 95 gram of water. So which is called as 5% sugar solution. Example for this mass percentage. Okay, and this mass percentage is expressed by W by W. Mass percentage is expressed by W by W. This mass percentage is mostly used when solute is solid and when solvent is liquid. Okay, this mass percentage is mostly used in when solute is solid. Okay, sugar or salt. Okay, solute is solid and solvent means that's a liquid, right? So solvent is in a liquid form. So it is expressed in terms W by W, that means weight by weight. Okay, weight by weight. And this mass percentage is independent of temperature. It does not depend on temperature. This mass percentage is independent of temperature. Have you understood this mass percentage? So what is the definition? Mass percentage of a solution is defined as percentage of mass of the solute present in given mass of solution. Example for mass percentage, 5% of sugar solution contains 5 gram of sugar and 95 gram of water. Okay, this mass percentage is expressed in terms of W by W. It is independent of temperature. Okay, underlined it. This one more question. This is page number 129. Right side first paragraph. This right side, sorry, second paragraph. Usually mass percentage is expressed in W by W, that is weight. Mass percentage is independent of temperature. So underline it. Then next we are going to study volume percentage. Volume percentage. Same as this mass percentage only. Instead of this we are going to use the word volume. Okay. So mostly liquid solution only we should take as volume, right? So volume percentage is equal to, first we can write the formula, volume of solute divided by volume of solution. Volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Here one more thing, listen. Solution means it contains solute plus solvent. Okay, solute plus solvent. So don't confused about that. Solution means solute plus solvent. Here also like that only. Solute plus solvent. So volume percentage formula, volume percentage is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. That means volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus solvent into 100. So we can write the definition from this formula. Volume percentage of a solution is defined as volume of solute is present in given volume of solution. Okay, percentage by volume percentage of a solution is defined as percentage by, don't forget to write the word percentage. Okay, so percentage by volume of solute present in given volume of solution, that is a volume percentage. This volume percentage example, 10% ethanol solution. Ethanol or alcohol, any one. Okay, so 10% ethanol solution contains 10 ml ethanol and 90 ml water. Okay, 10 ml ethanol and 90 ml water to form 10% ethanol solution. And this volume percentage is expressed in terms V by V. V by V means volume divided by volume. in this volume percentage, when the temperature increases, volume percentage will decreases. Okay, when temperature increases, volume percentage decreases. Here what we studied, it is independent the temperature. This mass percentage independent the temperature. Here when temperature increases, the volume will be decreases because of expansion of liquid. When heating the liquid, it will expand, right? So because of the expansion of liquid, when temperature increases, volume will decreases. Have you understood? Then next, you can notice commercial products. For example, for mass percentage already we studied. It is mostly used when solute is solid and solvent is liquid, right? So here the example is a syrup, mouthwash. You can see the cover of this syrup and this mouthwash, then household disinfectants, liquids. So these are the things when we see this back of that bottle, we can see W by W. They have noticed the code word W by W. That means that the solution was mixed with this, prepared by this mass percentage. Okay, and ointment, the solid ointment, soap, these are the things they will use the code word V by V. Okay. Have you understood the solutions? So solution means solute plus solvent to form a solution. Then concentration of a solution means it is defined as the amount of solute present in given amount of solvent. Then mass percentage, volume percentage. Mass percentage formula, mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Then volume percentage, volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. This mass percentage is expressed in terms W by W. It is independent the temperature. And volume percentage is expressed by V by V. That means volume divided by volume. When temperature increases, volume will be decreases due to the expansion of liquids. Okay. Next we are going to learn very important topic, hydrated salt and water of crystallization. Hydrated salt and water of crystallization. So listen, hydrated salt. Here first we are going to study hydrated salt. Okay. So hydrated salt. Salt means you can think common salt, right? So sodium chloride. Okay, any one salt you can think. Calcium sulfate also salt. Magnesium sulfate also salt. Okay, we know one common salt, that is sodium chloride. Okay, that you can say the sodium chloride, NaCl. Okay, this is a ionic compound. The sodium chloride is a ionic compound. Why we are saying the sodium chloride is a ionic compound means when we are dissolved the sodium chloride, that means this ionic substance are dissolved in water. When ionic substance are dissolved in water, it can form ions Na plus and Cl minus. So that we are saying ionic compounds. Okay. When ionic substance are dissolved in water, that ions attract the water molecule. Ions will attract the water molecule chemically in certain ratio. This process is called as hydration. Okay, this is called as what? Hydration. So what is hydration? When ionic substance dissolved in water, it will form this ions can attract the water molecules. That means positive ions or negative ions. That ions will attract the water molecules in certain ratio. This process is called as hydration. Okay. The number of water molecules found in crystallization. You know, if if you are taking sodium chloride, we can see it is in a crystalline form, right? So that crystallization, if what are the substance have crystalline form, that must be condensed water molecule. Okay, so number of water molecules found in crystallization is called as water of crystallization. Okay, number of water molecules found in crystallization is called as water of crystallization. When on heating this crystal substance, it will lost their water molecules. And it will lose their color also. For example, copper sulfate pentohydrate. Actually, this copper sulfate pentohydrate is in a blue color. When heating, this copper sulfate salt will lose their water molecule. Copper sulfate pentohydrate. On heating, this copper sulfate pentohydrate will lose their water molecules to form amorphous copper sulfate. Amorphous means powdered form. Okay, it does not have water compound. So it will lose their water molecule to form amorphous copper sulfate, or we can say anhydrous copper sulfate. Have you understood water of crystallization? So water of crystallization means number of water molecules found in crystal substance. Okay, number of water molecules found in crystal substance is called as water of crystallization. Have you understood water of crystallization? Then next we are going to study some example for this water of crystallization. So water of crystallization, example, blue vitriol, then Epsom salt, then gypsum, then green vitriol, then white vitriol. So what are the examples for water of crystallization? Crystallization salt, blue vitriol, Epsom salt, gypsum, green vitriol and white vitriol. Okay, molecular formula of this, IUPAC name of this blue vitriol is copper sulfate, pentahydrate, copper sulfate, pentahydrate. So listen, next we are going to write the molecular formula. This is IUPAC name. Then next we are going to write the molecular formula. Okay. So copper sulfate. What is copper sulfate formula? What is copper formula? Cu, right? So Cu, sulfate, SO4. Copper sulfate. Then you should put on dot because it contains continuous process, right? So one salt and water mixed together. So CuSO4, then pentahydrate. Penta means 5. Okay, mono means 1. Mono 1. Di 2. Tri 3. Tetra 4. Then penta 5. Okay. Mind this numbers. So copper sulfate, then penta. Penta means, what is the number? 5. So 5. Hydrate, you should mention H2O, water compound. Okay. So copper sulfate, pentahydrate. The next, gypsum salt. Gypsum salt, gypsum salt, IUPAC name is magnesium sulfate, heptahydrate. So we can write the molecular formula. Magnesium formula is Mg, right? Mg, sulfate, SO4, then put on dot. Then hepta means, listen, Penta means 5, right? Then hexa. Hexa means 6. Then hepta, 7. Okay, hepta means what? 7. So MgSO4, 7H2O. So MgSO4, 7H2O, that is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Okay. Then gypsum. Gypsum molecular formula is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Calcium sulfate dihydrate. So di means what is the number? 2, right? So calcium sulfate formula you all know, CaSO4. Don't confused about this copper sulfate and calcium sulfate. Copper symbol Cu. Then calcium Ca. Okay. So calcium sulfate CaSO4 di means 2, right? So 2H2O. 2H2O. Then green vitriol. Green vitriol molecular formula. Sorry, IUPAC name. Green vitriol IUPAC name. Iron sulfate heptahydrate. Iron sulfate heptahydrate. Can you write the molecular formula? Iron formula Fe. Then sulfate SO4. Then hepta 7. Then hydrate H2O. So iron sulfate heptahydrate, that is called as what? Green vitriol. These are the crystallization salt. Okay, crystallization salt. Then white vitriol. Zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Okay, zinc formula is ZN. Then sulfate SO4 hepta 7H2O. Have you understood the molecular formula and IUPAC names? So first you should study this crystallization salt. Okay, so what are the crystallization salt? Blue vitriol, Epsom salt, gypsum, green vitriol, white vitriol. Okay. Then next we are going to learn this blue vitriol. So in blue vitriol, how many water molecules present in blue vitriol? This is one more question. How many water molecules present in blue vitriol? How many water molecules? 5. Okay, how many water molecules present in blue vitriol? 5. So in this blue, actually this blue vitriol is blue in color. It is a blue in color. On heating, this blue vitriol can lose their water molecules. And it will lose their color also. Okay, so we can write the equation for this blue vitriol. CuSO4 5H2O. This is copper sulfate pentahydrate. On heating, it can lose their water molecule, right? So it can form amorphous copper sulfate. That means powdered copper sulfate. It is white in color. This powdered copper sulfate is white in color and it will lose their water molecule. Okay, here you can write anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous means powder, dry form. Okay, so dry copper sulfate. Again, on cooling this anhydrous copper sulfate, again it will turn back into copper sulfate pentahydrate. Okay, on cooling or adding few drops of water, again it will turn back into copper sulfate pentahydrate. Have you understood blue vitriol? Then next Epsom salt. So this Epsom salt contain how many water molecules? 7 water molecules. On heating, we can write the formula MgSO4 7H2O. On heating, it will lose their water molecule to form MgSO4 anhydrous magnesium sulfate and it will lose their water molecules. On cooling, again it will come back into magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Have you understood this titration salt? So study this table. Okay. Now all of you take your book. Take page number 134. See, the choose the correct answer, sixth one. The last class we studied factors affecting solubility, right? When pressure is increased at a constant temperature, the solubility of gas in liquid what? Increases. So mark the answer, sixth one answer increases. Then eighth one, seventh one later we can mark, okay? Eighth one, a 25% alcohol solution means, that means what? Today only we studied 25% alcohol means 25 ml alcohol and remaining 75 ml water. So option C is the correct answer. Then Roman letter 5, fifth question, define volume percentage. Answer page number 129. Define volume percentage. 129. Start from here. First paragraph. Volume percentage is defined as up to this equation. First equation. First formula. Okay. The next question. The aquatic animals live more in cold region. Why? Answer page number 128. The last class we studied this one. So, effect of temperature, under that one subheading is given no solubility of gas in liquid. Solubility of gas in liquid, second paragraph. Mark this second paragraph. Aquatic animals live, that one paragraph. Okay. So, your study portion, these two questions, and write these questions in your note. Those who did not write factors affecting solubility in your note, that question also study and write in your note. Thank you.